Hello, Mitch Kitchen. Thank you for coming. Bigyan kitang jacket. Ayan, moderator na kita, Mitch Kitchen. Thank you. Mega love shout out, my bestie. Jipo ng Mix Vlog, Joy to the World. Thank you, bestie. Ayan, nakatutok kayo sa labas. Kanina nag-snow, ngayon nawala na. But look at the ground, puti. Snow yan. Yan dyan muna para makita natin yung snow. Thank you for coming. Magpapaligo lang ako sa aking alaga. Kaya itutok ko muna kayo dyan sa may dyan sa labas para makita natin yung snow mamaya. Alam ko babagsak yung snow eh. So, silent ko lang para para pag may tugtog hindi ako mga CPR. Silent lang saglit. Hello bestie, are you on your break my bestie? Okay. Dito muna kayo ha, magpapaligo lang ako ng aking alaga. Oh. Nagre-reflect na naman. Sorry po, nagre-reflect yung TV.
After that, I get rich and I get van and I get everything. And I was driving with them.
Here you go. That's better. Can you see? Everyone, ayan po, oh, yan yung kalsada namin. I'll show you around. This is the place of one of my alaga.